I want to show you how to use one of the most powerful programs for growing your YouTube channel, and the best part is they have both a free and a paid version, and the paid version is discounted if you have less than 1,000 subscribers. The program we're going to be working with today is called TubeBuddy, which is no new tool to the game, being around since technically 2014, even if they did launch in December. This 5-year-old company was founded by Phil, Eric, Jim, and Chuck. Their mission to create a powerful browser extension for YouTube creators and brands to get more done in less time. They're based out of San Diego, California, and currently they have a staff of 13 wonderful people that all seem to love to play Mario Kart. They also are 100% YouTube certified, and honestly, that means a lot. YouTube and Google do not start working with anyone. It takes years of hard work to get such a label. Less about that and more about what this tool will do for you as a YouTube creator of any size. Later in this video, I'm going to be signing up for their Legend account, which is $49 a month. However, I'm going to talk about my top 5 free features they have on their free version. Number 1, comment formatting and emoji picker. You could honestly do this on your own, but TubeBuddy makes it so simple. And remember, all of these are free features. By using TubeBuddy, you have the ability to bold and italicize your comments, and it will make them stand out. Also, everyone loves an emoji. Number 2, the upload checklist. As you're uploading your video, TubeBuddy will help you make sure that you've done everything to optimize your upload. Number 3, tag ratings and Videolytics. Whenever you go to any video, it instantly shows you where the video is ranking in search results for each of its tags, as well as shows you in a very easy to understand fashion how the video has shown up on Facebook, Twitter, and Reddit. Number 4, Channelytics. Whenever you go to any YouTube channel, you can see and compare it with your own YouTube channel. Number 5, Tag Explorer. When on the YouTube search page, this will show you the odds that you have when trying to win for a search term on tags on YouTube, as well as suggestions for other tags you should have. It also has a lot of other useful information on this page. Now that we've quickly gone through that, I'm going to show you everything you need to do to set up TubeBuddy on your computer other than downloading Google Chrome. If you need help with how to do that, I have left the links in the description below this video. If you're interested in setting up TubeBuddy for your channel, you can sign up by going to ytrichard.com/TubeBuddy. Or I do have an affiliate link down below this video that you can click on, and if you do download and set up TubeBuddy, it will give me a small commission. However, this comes at no additional cost to you. It's just how TubeBuddy rewards me for sharing their program. It also helps me continue to make videos like this. Also, you do not need to get the Legend account. They have different pricing tiers as well, but that doesn't make for as interesting of a video if I didn't sign up for their highest tier. Let's switch over to my desktop and start getting this set up. Alright, so we're over on my desktop, and as you can see when I bring my mouse onto the screen, I've got this blue circle around it. Hopefully this is going to make it easier for you to follow around my mouse as I go through and show you how to do all of this. Now the most important thing to start off is we need to do this in Google Chrome. Next, to get started, we need to sign up for the account first, and to do that, we're going to go to YT, which is like YouTube, Richard, which is my name, .com/TubeBuddy, and then hit enter. We see that we're going to be loaded up onto the TubeBuddy account, and we see that we can install now, but we're not going to do that just yet. What we need to do is actually sign up for the account first. So we're going to hit the sign in button. Even though we haven't set up an account, we're going to hit sign in. On this page, what we're going to see is that we have to give them the particular rights to be connected with our Google account. And this is just because of the fact that Google wants to make sure that you understand how people are accessing your data. Remember, TubeBuddy is YouTube certified, so they are very protective with your data. So we're going to say that we have agreed to these particular terms. If you are interested in them, you can click here and here. Another thing, just remember, in the terms of use, they actually have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now we're going to hit sign in with Google. On this page, you need to enter in the email address that is connected to the YouTube account that you have. I'm blurring mine out on my screen just for my own protection. After you're done, hit the next button. Next, you're going to have to enter in your password for this account. Alright, so now we have signed up for our TubeBuddy account. We could save this into Google Chrome if we wanted to. And now what we need to do is we need to add a channel. On here, if you happen to have multiple channels, what you're going to do is select the one that is relative to the channel that you're working with. On this page, we can see what TubeBuddy does have access to, and they need access into these particular things so that their system will work. Again, remember, TubeBuddy is 100% YouTube certified. So what we're going to do is hit allow. And here we go. Our TubeBuddy account has now been set up. Now next, we need to go back to the TubeBuddy homepage because that's where we're going to hit this Install Free Now button. So now what's going to happen is Google Chrome's going to ask us if we want to add this to Chrome, and we're going to hit that button. And then we're going to hit Add Extension. All right, now that that is downloaded, we have this message that is saying that TubeBuddy has been added to Chrome. We can just hit this little X button. And if we want to make it so that TubeBuddy shows up all the time, we can hit this little like paint swatch, and then we can hit this pin button on TubeBuddy. Now TubeBuddy's all installed. And if you were to do just the free version, right now this is where you could end the video and start getting some stuff done. However, if you're interested in how the upgrade process goes, that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to hit this Upgrade Now button. And they have the different options as well as explain what each one does. Now, something that is also very cool is starting at the Pro feature, you get access into all of these great systems. And all of these are really, really phenomenal. And honestly, they cover your cost almost automatically. As we see right here, Tuber Tools is normally $17 a month. And you're getting that for free when you sign up for a Pro account. And a Pro account is only $9 a month. So it's just like you're instantly saving money. And there's so many other great things that you have access to. So I'm going to select this Legend account. So on this page here, you're going to see that for this particular account, it's $49 a month. Now, I could save a little bit of money, well, actually a fair bit of money, by hitting the yearly for 20% off. However, I'm going to do the monthly option, which is $49 in a month. You could enter in your credit card information here. However, I'm going to do this through PayPal. So what I'm going to do is enter in what my PayPal account is, and then just simply hit Next. Then I'm going to enter in what my password is, and I'm going to hit Login. It's going to ask me how I want to pay, and I'm just going to hit Agree and Continue. You can see that it's processing, and there you are. Like I said, you now have access to some of the member discounts. I'm not going to choose to sign up for this just now. However, I might do a video reviewing their review in the future. So if you're interested in that, remember to subscribe. Now I'm just going to hit this X button. We see that it's still showing that my order is complete, but if I can click this, it goes back to my dashboard, and we see that I now have the Legend license. I'm going to be doing more information about what is offered with this Legend license in the future, so if that interests you, please remember to hit that subscribe button. Also, I just spent like $50, so if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button, that'd be really great too. So, now you've set up TubeBuddy. Way to go. And if you happen to have purchased TubeBuddy, that's also awesome. And I hope that you remember to go to ytrichard.com/TubeBuddy. If you have any questions about this program or anything else, please leave a comment below this video or reach out on Instagram. Until next time, keep making amazing things.